Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing admin access and making a complete backup. This prevents data loss if a plugin misbehaves. Next, decide whether you'll use a plugin or add a custom DMCA notice. Plugin speed setup, custom pages give control. Prepare your designated agent contact details, name, postal address, and a monitored email. Once done, install the chosen plugin or create a new Wordpress page and draft the basic DMCA notice text to paste into the plugin or page editor. Now you configure the core content and behavior. Open the plugin settings or edit the page, then paste the full DMCA notice, including agent contact and clear takedown and counter notice instructions. Explain who can file and how evidence should be provided. Make the badge visible, footer, header, or both, so visitors see your policy. Then set logs and email alerts for received notices. Keep retention long enough for legal requirements. Finally, link the DMCA policy from site menus and sitemap to ensure discoverability. Finish by testing the full workflow. Submit a takedown through your form, confirm emails are sent, and verify entries appear in logs. You should also simulate a counter notice to ensure you can process replies and restore content if appropriate. Once confirmed, document internal steps and set review reminders. If something fails, check common causes, plugin conflicts, permalink rules blocking pages, or SMTP misconfiguration preventing emails. Resolve those, then retest to make sure the DMCA system runs reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.